Start by downloading Microsoft Excel from the Google Play Store. Once installed, the interface showcases recent documents and options to create new workbooks. Enter data in cells and use basic functions like sum for calculations. Save your work to OneDrive or your Chapter 1, Installing Microsoft Excel. Visual screen recording of Google Play Store. Host, VoiceOver. First, you need to install Excel on your phone. Open the Google Play Store, search for Microsoft Excel, and tap Install. Once it's done, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Visual Excel app home screen. Host. When you open VoiceOver, you'll see recent documents. Now let's take a look at the option to create a new blank workbook or choose a template. You'll see the familiar spreadsheet layout with rows and columns. Tap any cell to enter data using your keyboard. Chapter 4, Formatting and Basic Functions. Visual selecting and formatting cells. Host, then use the toolbar at the bottom to change font size, text color, bold, or add a background color. Visual demonstrating formulas. Host, VoiceOver. You can also use formulas. For example, to add numbers, type tar, sum, A1, A5, and press Enter. Excel will calculate the total for you. Chapter 5. Saving and sharing files. Visual. You can save a file to OneDrive. Visual sharing options. VoiceOver. To save your work, tap the share button and choose WhatsApp, email, or the top right corner and your file instantly. Save as. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. The visual host on questions. Host, drop them. That's a quick introduction to using Microsoft Excel on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.